Hello YouTube, Zach the Phoenix Knight here, and I don't have them with me right now just because they're in the wash, but this is going to be a real quick DIY video on how I modified a pair of jeans. Not the most conventional way. Usually the way I see just alternative people as a whole modifying their pants is maybe sewing a bunch of random band patches on them, and or just maybe they'll paint bones. I saw one lady do it at some point. There's a plethora of DIY jean shredding videos, just hacking away at your dungarees. I do have a secret technique for that, which is what instead of using sandpaper or even a washing machine, once you're done hacking away at the material, what you can do is take a wet washcloth or a wet sock and just scrape it against that. That's all fun and good, but we're actually going to be painting ankhs on these jeans, and what I do is usually with a complicated design like this, I'll take a stencil that I cut out by hand out of paper, and I'll just take a stupidly bright light, shine down on that with a Sharpie traced around it. In fact, I actually have photos of the project in the works. So I'll just insert the montage here. And that final picture is not me being racist. It's just me not wanting to sweat all over the damn thing. So if I look a little like Eddie Murphy in The Golden Child from that one scene when he was playing basketball with those kids, that's why. Because I sweat like a dirty fucking swine. But it's definitely worth it in the end. The pants came out pretty marvelously. In fact, they look like this. And I definitely look forward to future DIY projects, especially more masculine goth fashion, just because there's such a shortage of it, man. Like, I know maybe one other guy, Nephilim Incorruptus, who did a video a while back putting D-rings on the sleeves of a short sleeve dress shirt. And not only is it way too long, but the lighting was almost as bad as this. So you can't even hardly tell what he's doing. But it was definitely an interesting experience seeing someone else who gives a shit. So, I don't know, maybe check that video out if you can. But this is just something nice, quick, and short that I figured I'd share with you. So if you like, please like. Feel free to share obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you do. And as always, thank you so very much for watching, and I love you all.